Oh my god. Look at this, guys. I was talking to him all this while and I asked him one question. You made the beast out of this amazing gypsy. Hobbs lock and everything. See the terrain where we are in.
Now you have to go outside and show where you are stuck.
And
we
now-
are really stuck. I don't know whether we'll come
He
out.
said it never got stuck ever. Now he will have to prove with all the Hobbs lock and other features.
or not. I cannot guarantee whether it will come out or not. But
See, guys, half of the wheel has gone inside. See this,
I don't know.
guys. This is the real test. I'm not taking it up, guys. Whenever I come, it happens. See this. We'll see first the damage. Oh my god. Let me see this from here. Oh my god.
I'm pretty dead stuck, man. I have to come out this way, man. I don't want to dirty myself.
Oh my god. Look at this, guys. We did not purposefully do it.
We didn't purposely do it.
See this. It's gone. It's gone. Half of the wheel is gone inside. Only a true 4x4 vehicle can pick it up from here.
Yeah.
And see this gear. Amazing. What are these amazing it looks.
So now what I need to do is firstly I will engage the Hobbs lock. I have a small knob, I would say, that will look. And then I think I'll have to go to 4x4.
Otherwise,
So
I
I've
don't
never
think
been
so.
in this situation with my Gypsy where I'm stuck this way. So
I love getting stuck. Let's see. How do we crack?
by the way, nowadays I hate getting stuck. Maybe it's due to the age, but Neil has that thing has gone to Neil, so he loves getting stuck. But I don't. I didn't come here to off-road today. I thought it would be a jolly ride, but things have got complicated. No one is ready for the backup. I don't know what will happen.
See, the fear is towing. I don't think it comes to there, and he has the toe. If you see this, guys, the hinge, toe hinge there.
Then maybe we might need, if it really gets stuck, we might need our Scorpio 4x4 to
Pull
take
it
it out
up.
from here.
Yeah. But it looks amazing, isn't it? This is the best glory scene for any 4x4. Let's see what we do. No range to do the Hobbs
Engage the
lock.
Hobbs lock.
How you want to do it then?
Now we have to go to this old Stone Age era to lock it. Let's see whether I'm able to lock it or not.
Oh my god.
I cannot turn it. Oh, finally this side it's turned.
Oh
to lock.
wow.
This I have to.
Oh god.
I have to take this initiative.
Let
Lock.
me zoom. See, that's the hub lock.
Now this one does not turn. Now this is a mess.
Ah, with stones. Stone Age.
Back to old Stone Age,
Oh,
guys.
it's moving, guys. Can you see it's moving? Hub lock. It's moving.
It's a funny man.
Older generations, not the newer diesel cars. See how he has done the hub lock. Just the stone, tilting it. One you can move it with a finger. Another one you need to really hit with the stone. It's done.
The hubs are locked. Sometimes what happens is as soon as we engage the four wheel, it doesn't get engaged. So a little forward and back movement engages the four wheel. So we
Ah,
don't have. I would.
he has to do forward and back to get that out now. So what that now has done to the wheel? It has locked the wheel
has locked
against spin. Huh? So more power.
More power.
Okay, guys, let's see. Oh my god. He has to really get inside water. This was destined to be.
This is the knob. Yeah, I'm going to four wheel low. Yes, I think four wheel low. is
Perfect.
engaged.
4-wheel low.
But
First gear.
for these knobs to really function, I need to make sure sometimes the vehicle has to go back and forth.
Right.
So
Let's do that.
let's take a little bit of it. Okay. Now let's try. I'm scared, man.
I am hopeful. This will be my first testimony. Wow! Amazing! Is this planned? No. I'm telling you guys, Scorpio would have been a dead meat by now. This is amazing. This car cannot ever get stuck. That's my testimony. The way what I have seen right now.
Right now, for now, we
Tell
can
me,
get stuck.
owner of this beautiful
Well,
car.
even this is the first time my vehicle got stuck, and luckily we managed to rescue it.
Amazing.